Hello everyone and welcome to Artha Point CUT MA English Preparation. Now that you have all received your scorecards, it is time for the CUT admissions. Now, one thing that you must know that it does not mean that you have received your scorecard, your admission is finalized. So you must keep that in mind. आपका scorecard आ गया है. आप सबको आई होप अच्छे मार्क्स मिले होंगे, बट सिर्फ स्कोर कार्ड आना डज नॉट मीन कि आपको एडमिशन मिल जाएगा. आपको इंडिविजुअल यूनिवर्सिटीज पे अपना ध्यान लगाना होगा. ईच एंड एवरी यूनिवर्सिटी will open their online portal. You would have to keep a track of these portals because through these portals, once you register on these portals, then your counseling sessions would begin, a merit list would come out, and based on the merit list, you will get your admission. So, आपका स्कोर कार्ड आ गया है. आपको जो भी आपकी टारगेट यूनिवर्सिटी है उसका पोर्टल ओपन होने की वेट करनी है. देन आपको उस पोर्टल पर रजिस्टर करना है. वंस यू रजिस्टर, एक बार आपने रजिस्टर कर लिया, उस पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी की एक मेरिट लिस्ट आएगी एंड विद दैट मेरिट लिस्ट यू वुड गेट एडमिशन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटी. नाउ about 5 to 6 universities have opened their portal. हम one by one universities का discuss करेंगे and we would see the admission process. The first university that I would be talking about that has opened its portal is the Central University of Rajasthan. Now, Central University of Rajasthan is amongst the first universities that have opened their portal for MA English admission. Right, so you have to visit their website. Once you visit their website, you would see this particular section wherein you can apply online for the admission. Right, now before applying for that, before registering on the website, there is a particular criteria that the university follows. आपका CUET रिजल्ट आ चुका है. Now CUET score for this particular university, that is CURHE, the Rajasthan University, it maximum goes up to 215 to 220 for your general category and 180 for your OBC SC ST category. Right, so आपका अगर स्कोर 215 to 220 तक जनरल कैटेगरी में है एंड 180 आपका स्कोर ओबीसी एससी एसटी में है, so you can go ahead with this university, the University of Rajasthan, but still there is an eligibility criteria. Now, what is this eligibility criteria? That you must have scored 50% marks in your UG for general and 45% marks again for UG in SC ST, OBC PWD. So the reservation seats, you must have 45% or equivalent marks or 50% in general category, and you must have a bachelor's degree with English as one of the subjects. So either you should have pursued UG English, or if BA program with English as your subject. ठीक है, तो आपका 50% और 45% मार्क्स का क्राइटेरिया होना चाहिए. उसके बाद हम CUET मार्क्स पे जाएंगे. जो आपका CUET स्कोर कार्ड 250 to 220 के बीच में रेंज अगर कर रहा है, तो दिस इज द मैक्सिमम कि इतना तक जाएगा. बट ऑफ कोर्स अगर आपका 200 है, 205 है, 210 है, आप इजीली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. राइट, सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू कि ये मैक्सिमम मार्क्स का क्राइटेरिया जो एनटीए आपका स्कोर कार्ड आया है, प्लस 50% फॉर जनरल एंड 45% फॉर रिजर्व्ड कैटेगरीज. क्विकली हम देख लेते हैं कि कुछ पर्टिकुलर गाइडलाइंस हैं जो आपको फॉलो करनी है while applying. So candidates who have appeared in common university entrance test for undergraduate and or postgraduate programs in their respective subject conducted by NTA agency in 2023 can apply for admissions in various PG and PG programs offered by Center of University of Rajasthan. आपकी वेबसाइट दी हुई है, दैट इज www.corag.ac.in/admissions आप लिखेंगे, सो द पर्टिकुलर पेज विल ओपन अप जहां पे आप डायरेक्टली अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. आप so this basically means कि this university comes under CUET. Now this portal ये 1 जून को पोर्टल पर्टिकुलर ओपन हो गया था, बट for those who have already applied, perfectly fine. For those who are waiting for their scorecards, now is the time to apply for this university. So this portal will only be open up to 10 days after the declaration of CUET result. So 20th July को आपका CUET result आया है. So by 30th or max by 31st there's a chance, though there's a chance कि वो थोड़ा extend करते हैं 2-3 days से. But still, why take a chance? I would suggest कि अगर आप इस यूनिवर्सिटी को एम कर रहे हैं, go ahead, register yourself before 30th July. Right? Now, this is extremely important. While doing registration, you must provide valid email ID, mobile number, and Aadhaar number along with the correct details. Now, मेक श्योर कि आप जो नंबर डाल रहे हैं वो आपको एक्सेसिबल हो, जो ईमेल आईडी आप डाल रहे हैं वो आपको एक्सेसिबल हो, एंड वॉट एवर डॉक्यूमेंट्स दैट यू आर अपलोडिंग आर इन अ करेक्ट फॉर्मेट, आर करेक्ट, because you would have to provide a hard copy in case you are selected in the university. Now next point is that there's a fees of 1200. आपको 1200 का एक फीस देना है जो नॉन रिफंडेबल फीस होगा. So जो आपका एप्लीकेशन प्रोसेस है उसका 1200 plus the transaction charges and taxes is your registration fees, right? Next is once you register, keep coming back to the portal. आप check करते रहो portal for the merit list and make sure, again I'm repeating myself, कि आपके documents properly upload हों, because the university has clearly stated that in case of any technical glitch, in case of any failure of document, the university would not be held responsible for it. तो आप please make sure करो that आप correctly सब कुछ submit कर रहे हैं. Next is that of course अगर आपका कोई issue है, you can go ahead and contact their helpline number. Lastly, you cannot challenge the university. They can make any changes in their admission process. Therefore, आप register करने के बाद continuous आप इधर monitor करते रहो. Yes, it is very difficult कि आप हर individual university को monitor करो, but this is the situation right now. So you would have to keep monitoring for any updates on the website. Right? Now let us quickly see the guidelines that have been provided. So आपका application website link is this, that is जो मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया. You would provide your, in case you have already registered, you can log in, और अगर आपने register नहीं किया है तो इस particular उस पे जाकर आप register कीजिए जहाँ पे आप अपना correct number and correct email ID provide कीजिए. So you have to click on register. उसके बाद you have to provide all the details, that is your first name, your last name. Make sure there is no spelling error while putting your first name and last name. Double check करिए, time लगे तो लगाइए, but make sure that आपका first name, last name correct है. Your mobile number and your email ID. You would get an OTP. Once you put the OTP, you can open the portal. Right, then once you have signed in, once you have registered yourself, you can log in. After logging in, you would see a dashboard. उस dashboard पे आपका नाम लिखा आएगा and आपका application process begin हो जाएगा. The application process, the very first thing is the personal profile. So update your personal profile, right? And whatever program. So we are applying for MA English. So you will have to put your MA English program, department and the program to correctly select each and every detail here. Next is uploading the documents. Now, this is extremely crucial. आपका हर document correctly uploaded होना चाहिए. Very first document is your date of birth certificate, then your Aadhaar card, 10th mark sheet, 12th mark sheet, UG degree and consolidated mark sheet. So ये सारे documents आपके पास already available होंगे. So उनको correct format में आप एक एक करके अप्लाई करते जाइए, एक एक करके अपलोड कीजिए एंड मेक श्योर कि आपका फॉल्ट कुछ ना हो जाए कि डेट ऑफ बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट में आप आधार डाल दें या आधार में आप 10th मार्कशीट डाल दें. सो वन बाय वन पेशेंटली अपलोड ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स. लास्ट आपको डिक्लेरेशन क्लिक करना है एंड यू हैव टू सबमिट, राइट? सो देन यू कैन प्रिंट योर एप्लीकेशन. You will get an application number. This application number you have to keep it with you because once the merit list comes out, you will need this application, right? Then you have to upload your CUET score. जो आपको CUET score card मिल गया है, you have to upload it, right? So once you upload it, again declaration you have to sign and you have to proceed to the payment. Lastly, आपको जो 1200 का payment we have already discussed कि 1200 is the admission fees. You have to pay and you will be registered. In case you have any query regarding this University of Rajasthan admission for MA English, you can put down it in the comment section below or you can directly contact us. Make sure that all the process that you're putting up, all the documents that you're putting up are in correct order. आपके documents सही हैं, आपके marks आप सही put कर रहे हैं, because if you are selected for the admission, you would have to provide hard copy of the same. Take care, and if you have any queries, you can get in touch with us. Thank you.